to Senator Manny Pacquiao. Greetings. The Mystica Temple, or the Mystica Temple on Ezekiel's vision, has been established as a worldwide future project with a biblical concept on December 18, 2014, the birthday of yours truly, Ruby Rose M. Villanueva, the founder. A professional showbiz entertainer for 30 years and a motivational speaker evangelist for 10 years, and popularly known, especially in the Philippines, as Mystica. As a holistic showbiz icon, inspirational and spiritual speaker, social media evangelist, celebrity environmentalist, crime prevention advocate, humanitarian and lifestyle philanthropist, as well as the advocate of truth for the Mystica Temple, also known as the Ezekiel Temple. My ultimate goal and mission is to share and reveal the mystery or the secret of ourselves through spiritual, environmental, social, physical, intellectual, emotional, health and wellness programs by means of our motivational, educational, inspirational, and spiritual events and special health education and administration through private small groups or large-scale seminars. In the area of my expertise as an artist, motivational speaker, training and development leader and director, I promote and implement human values by molding each one into a well-rounded individual. My purpose is to give encouragement and bring out the best in every single person with great confidence, to let his or her personality blossom into its fullest capacity and its most beautiful and perfect manifestation. We are born to have spiritual gifts, powerful knowledge, exceptional talents, skills, and abilities, which normally remain hidden and untapped. Now, they are to be induced to come out in the open, to grow and flourish in stunning magnificence. On this road, we can create our own destiny. We can build the program of our character to regain full control of our lives. Our thoughts can become words, our words can become actions, our actions can become habits, our habits can become character, and our character can become our destiny. Numbers 12:6. Then the Lord said, "Listen to my words. Suppose there is a prophet among you. I, the Lord, make myself known to them in visions. I speak to them in dreams." Because of my mystical experience from my lucid dreams and visions, which have been revealed on my past TV interviews, which were also uploaded on YouTube, I would like to propose for your partnership to build the Mystica Temple on Ezekiel's vision, or Ezekiel 40:48, which will be the place for mercy and for the wounded and healing souls, the house of gospel, prayer and meditation, and the new spiritual city for all nations shall come and worship before the Almighty King, our only God. And the whole world will highly recognize and greatly acknowledge it, because this will be the most powerful and the most influential temple due to its biblical prophecy, history, mystery, and controversy. This holy temple will be open to every religion or any denomination in order to promote the value of love, respect, peace, unity, and prosperity. If there's love, there will be no more rage, misery, neglect, sorrow, suffering, pain, unhappiness, anger, and hatred. If there's respect, there will be no more bad matters, criticism, dishonor, ignorance, confusion, false judgment, and accusations. If there's peace, there will be no more fighting, frustration, disagreement, distress, agitation, and violence. If there's unity, there will be no more war, division, competition, separation, opposition, disharmony, and antagonism. If there's prosperity, there will be no more poorness, restriction, discontentment, poverty, and hunger. Isaiah 46:11. From the east, I summon a bird of prey far a far off land, a man to fulfill my purpose. What I have said that I will bring about, what I have planned that I will do. The concept of this project will be on a much higher level and a larger scale compared to the Golden Temple of India or any other temple in the world. This will be a worldwide tourist spot called the Mystica Temple Paradise and Resort, or the Ezekiel temple in the Bible, with a superb international marketing and development strategy in terms of its hospitality, unique tradition, cultural entertainment, arts and sciences, medical and healthcare, public services, health, wellness, and education programs, agricultural and environmental projects, food and other consumers products, manufacturing, barter exchange, commercial trade and industry, travel and tourism, etc. And this will be the most mystical experience and unique tourist adventure for every nationality because of its historical influence, perennial philosophy and magical wisdom traditions, biblical teachings with a very rich symbolic system, spiritual warfare and deliverance, healing miracles, medication and intercession, phenomenal mystic theology and evangelism, counseling, discipleship and mentoring, and also its very effective humanitarian international development foundation approach. 1 Corinthians 1:27. But God chose the foolish things of the world to shame the wise. God chose the weak things of the world to shame the strong. Our program activities include social ministry, spiritual and motivational, health and humanitarian services, outreach programs, medical, dental missions, livelihood programs, agricultural projects, housing projects for the squatters, and feeding programs for the street children, homeless and hungry, environmental advocacies, crime prevention, helping at-risk youth and PW or persons with disabilities, welfare to work programs, and sustainable community development. Purpose, mission, and vision: to plan and supervise the development of human health, spiritual, intellectual, physical, social, economical, financial partnership, and nature resources for cross-cultural ministry opportunities in order to balance with my charity works, services, and advocacies to campaign environmental awareness and a global green revolution to rescue or to restore the Mother Earth once again into a mystic paradise by planting trees, vines, plants, and vegetables, to promote people empowerment and pursue a unique livelihood advocacy for the benefit of all the squatters, the unfortunate and less privileged people, locally, nationally, and globally. If India has managed to build the Golden Temple, we can help and manage to have a mystical temple in order to honor and glorify the Lord in the Philippines too. With that similar idea, with a more holistic and mystic concept that is most concerned in having the most efficient and effective set of practices to attain enlightened consciousness and union with God, I have faith that we can make a big difference in this world, especially with my ultimate mission, which is creating more jobs for the people, serving and helping and eradicating poverty, maintaining peace and order, and eventually this will be the most effective and the most positive solution in healing and uniting all souls of the world. Isaiah 61:6. And you will be called priests of the Lord. You will be named ministers of our God. You will feed on the wealth of nations, and in their riches you will boast. To make that pledge a reality, I can do it all alone, and I need your participation and contribution besides your prayer and petition. By faith, we are moving forward and hope that you will assist us with your generous support, which will help us to accomplish this monumental task, never forgetting that we can do all things through Christ, which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. Thank you in advance for your noble and wonderful participation. May you be recipients of the Lord's saving grace always. Respectfully, Ruby Rose and Villanueva, aka Mystica, the advocate of truth. John 14:16-26. Philippines motivational speaker and the producer-director, TV host of the Mystic Road to Success of Mystic Productions on PTV4. And all these videos were uploaded on YouTube. Okay, Matthew Henry commentary. 1 Kings 6 from 15 to 38. See what was typified by this temple. Number 1, Christ is the true temple. In Him dwells all the fullness of the Godhead. In Him meet all God, spiritual Israel. Through him, we have access with confidence to God. Number 2, every believer is a living temple in whom the Spirit of God dwells. 1 Corinthians 3:16. This living temple is built upon Christ as its foundation and will be perfect in due time. Number 3, the Gospel Church is the Mystica Temple. It grows to the holy temple in the Lord, enriched and beautified with the gifts and graces of the Spirit. This temple is built firm upon a rock. Number 4, heaven is the everlasting temple. There the church will be fixed. All that shall be stones in that building must in the present state of preparation be fitted and made ready for it. Let sinners come to Jesus as the living foundation, that they may be built on him, a part of this spiritual house, consecrated in body and soul to the glory of God. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and hit the bell button for more Mystica videos. Thank you.